Hi everyone, this is video 3 from the Dorflinger Factory Show in White Mills, Pennsylvania. And we will pick up with these air twist rooster cocktail stems as green glass pulled in the spirals in the stems and beautiful enameled roosters or cockfighting roosters in the artwork. Those are a known Dorflinger commodity. Here's a beautiful cranberry cut to clear wine stem in Parisienne. Has the Hobstar base. It is $4.95. I have two Dorflinger Marlborough pattern flared wine stems. They are cranberry cut to clear and they are $7.95 each. Here's a two-handled curled rim bowl in Dorflinger number 50. Beautiful blank, beautiful quality. Triple diamond cut handles, and let's see, it is $2.95. That's a nice buy. Here's a beautiful strawberry diamond and fan with the Dorflinger clear windows rose bowl. It is 7 inches in diameter, and let's see, the rose bowl is $4.95. That's a nice buy for that. These windows you'll also see in Sultana pattern. There's a nice globe cologne in the oval and split pattern by Dorflinger. It has a really nice sterling stopper, which you seldom see, and it is $11.95. I have a nice array of colognes here from A to Z. A cylindrical Essex pattern cologne, and that one is $3.95. I kind of like this one. It's an ovoid shape. It's cut in hob diamond. It also has the hob diamond stopper. It's $3.95. Another early pattern is this block diamond pattern cylinder cologne. It is 6 inches tall and $1.95. Here's a same blank as the Essex is this royal pattern cologne. It is $2.95. Marlborough Globe cologne, it is $2.35. Here's a Victor pattern globe cologne. It is $2.95. The stopper is a little bit off color though, I might mention that. Another globe cologne in the colonial pattern by Dorflinger. Very pretty blank. It is $2.25. Another globe cologne in Marlborough. It is 5 3/4 inches tall, and it is $2.95. It's a round block diamond cologne. It's 7 inches tall, a little bit larger than the others. It is $3.95. Another, let's see, it's called Special Pattern, shown in the Feller book on page 289, and it is $1.95. Here's a cylinder cologne in the Russian pattern. It is 8.5 inches tall, and it is $2.75. I have a matching pair of cylinder colognes in Belmont. That's one of Dorflinger's best patterns. Great quality, and those are $7.95. One of my favorite pieces, which I'm thinking I may have to keep, is this 1/1 rated Sultana pattern picture. Has the beautiful clear windows, unbelievable blank. This is a great piece. Hop diamond pattern cut handle, and it is $23.95. This is a rare pair of beauties in Renaissance. Unusual rolled rim candlesticks with bell-shaped bottoms, and that pair is $14.95. Great Stevens and Williams green cut to clear globe cologne with sterling stopper, and that is $17.50. 7-inch diameter plate in colonial. That's a well-known, well-documented pattern. It is only $55. Here's a block diamond ramekin set. It's handled as the cup, the holder, and the underplate. And the monogram, it looks like it's a D. And that set is $3.95. Here's a solid cranberry tumbler. I don't know if this was a blank or it was just meant to be a blown piece. It's $45. Very pretty color. There's a great triangular nappy in the royal pattern. Superb pattern cut handle. Great quality, and it is $125. A tri-lobe bowl, 8 1/4 inches diameter. The rim sort of undulates in and out, and it's cut in the ever popular Parisian pattern, and it is $4.95. This is a great globe cologne in Chester. Very deep, wide miters, excellent quality blank, and it is $8.95. That's a real treasure. Here's a very rarely seen pattern. It's Beverly, and it's pictured in one of the oversized Dorflinger catalogs. Really neat waist-shaped cologne, and decanter, and it is $7.75. This is a very desirable pattern. It's the Princess pattern, and it's a squarish blank tall cologne. That's a nice find, and it is $12.50. This is a really nice dessert set. I don't think it's a mayo because it's a little bit bigger. The underplate is 7 inches in diameter and the total height is 3 inches. It's all cut in hop diamond, and it is $125. Here's a 6-inch diameter brillante dish. Clear button hob stars, very ornately cut and deeply cut. Does have some pattern chips, which is typical of Russian. It's $85. Another tri-lobe shape, but this is a low bowl in Parisian. It's excellent quality, very deep cutting, and that's a nice buy at only $3.25. Here's a nice footed bonbon. It's cut in the Marlboro pattern, hob star cut base. It is 6 inches in diameter, and it is $125. It's a cute little piece. This is the Flemish jug blank by Dorflinger. It's sort of a variation of Parisian, but it's not a pattern that I'm familiar with, and it is only $2.35. And it's definitely a Dorflinger blank. This is an oval plate cut in the royal pattern by Dorflinger, and the quality on this piece is amazing. Great blank, super sharp cutting, nice quality piece. I have a pair of these 6-inch diameter number 50 plates. They're kind of curled at the edges, brilliant blanks, crisp cutting, just nice quality. Those are a steal at only $35 each. I have 2 cordials cut in pattern number 483, aka Van Dyke, and the cordials are only $40 a pair. This is a wonderful ice cream tray in the Essex pattern. This is the first one I've seen like this. It's a great pattern, very heavy, nice quality blank, and the ice cream tray is the only one I've ever seen. It's $19.85. Wonderful carafe cut in the Belmont pattern by Dorflinger. Deep cutting, clear blank, has all the great qualities you like in a piece. $2.25 on the carafe. It's a Russian pattern bone dish. Another excellent blank and cut to pieces, and it is $2.75. That's shown in the C. Dorflinger & Sons catalog. Here's the leaf-shaped bonbon that Dorflinger is known for, and it's cut in Parisian. Excellent quality, deep cutting, and it is $5.75. And also in Parisian, this is a set of 4 wine goblets, Hobstar bases, always desirable. All 4 are only $2.95. One of their best patterns is this Windsor 8-inch bowl. Nice heavy blank, very deep cutting, lots of detail, and it is $4.95. That's a real steal. Brilliant pattern, corset-shaped pitcher, 9 inches tall, excellent, brilliant blank. It is $7.95. Great Master Salt cut in Marlboro, nice classic pattern. Hobstar base, thick blank, 125. Rare Cobalt cut to clear, punty or thumbprint, and Hop Diamond short tumbler. It is 195. And then I have the matching Cranberry cut to clear one in the same pattern for 125. This is a very scarce pattern. It's Gloria by Dorflinger. This one is 9-inch diameter, very thick blank, extra wide, deep miters, great floating hobstars. It's a really good and scarce pattern. It's $7.50. I've always been intrigued by these, the 16-inch leaf form. I guess it was a celery or pickled dish, and it's cut in Parisienne, and it is $9.85. Wonderful rose globe vase cut in the Essex pattern. Again, one of Dorflinger's best patterns. It is $13.95. And Belmont pattern 9-inch bowl. Superb quality, great cutting, $5.95. Everyone's favorite, Montrose by Dorflinger. Beautiful picture. The blank is just stunning. It's really dazzling in person. Hobstar base. It's 9 inches tall, and it is $17.95. Really rare to get more than one piece in Windsor, but this is a nice celery, brilliant blank, just cut to pieces. The cutting's unbelievable, and it is $8.95. Here's a rarity, a tall cream de mint in Marlboro pattern. Has Shreves of San Francisco sterling base. That's a true rarity. It's $5.95, and it's 6 inches tall. Marlboro pattern ship's decanter, pattern cut stopper, double punty cut handle, Hobstar base, all the bells and whistles, and it's $5.95. Really great Dorflinger Master Salt, cut in the Russian pattern, sharp to the touch, pattern cut around the bottom. That's a superb example. It's $125. There's a pair of strawberry diamond and fan champagne stems, classic Dorflinger early piece. The pair are $40. Another ship's decanter cut in heavy flute, starburst base, starburst cut pattern matching stopper, and that's a nice buy at only $3.95. And here's a little metal Dorflinger Bulldog, great little novelty, and it's only $55. And that ends video 3. Thank you.